3. Increase your fat intake. To have success in producing ketone bodies, you will need to make sure that you are eating enough fat. This is especially true during the keto flu. To make sure that you are in ketosis, make sure that you are getting plenty of healthy fats. This includes grass-fed butter and fatty fish. 4. Making sure you get enough rest. While you are dealing with the keto flu, it is important that you get the rest that you need. You will find that you have lower energy, and this is why you need to take it easy during this time. It is recommended that you do not exercise strenuously at this time. Let your body get used to the new diet before you start any kind of exercise routine. You should be getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep at night to help your body have the energy to adapt to this diet.